Descending rapidly, the massive pipeline plunges into the crushing darkness of the deep ocean.
The Abyss Zone, miles beneath the surface.
The seabed crawler moves inexorably across the abyssal plain, its massive tracks churning centuries of accumulated silt.
Losing containment on Sector 4.
I see it. The anomaly is expanding rapidly on the 3D map. We need to initiate emergency protocols.
The filtration system is highly efficient, diverting the valuable gold concentrate, while the residual mud is flushed directly back into the ocean. As the conveyor carries the concentrate deeper, the heat lamps reach peak intensity, creating the thick plumes of steam necessary for the drying process.
Us. The liquid gold, heated to over 1,000 degrees Celsius, is precisely poured into the graphite molds.
The articulated arm extracts the solidified metal using specialized grippers. The metal continues to radiate
Contained within these glass chambers, the bubbling acid purifies the rough gold, a critical step in the refining process. This final acid treatment, known as parting, is the penultimate step to achieving 99.99% purity. Quality control is paramount. The pneumatic arm detects and eliminates imperfections, swiftly diverting the reject bar into the recycling hopper.
Utilizing focused energy, the laser instantly transforms the solid gold into a fine metallic vapor.
Every bar undergoes rigorous inspection. The slightest deviation in weight or dimension is noted and recorded.
Using high-frequency sound waves, the ultrasonic probe maps the internal structure of the bar, ensuring there are no hidden defects or tungsten cores. As the storm clouds retreat, the rising sun signals the start of operations. A new day of extraction begins.
All right, everyone, let's get moving. Johnson, head to crane 3. Williams, you're on the lower deck. Stay focused and let's keep this steady.
Spectrometer confirms it. The sample is 99.99% pure gold, ready for extraction.
And then the wave hit, and he lost the whole tray.
You're kidding me, the whole thing.
That's why we tie everything down out here.
A stunning example of adaptation. The vibrant clownfish navigate the colossal intake pipes,
Check camera 12, lower vault access.
Adjusting view now.
Clear.
The sheer mechanical complexity of the main winch system is evident in the slow, powerful meshing of these heavily greased gears.
A brief respite on the quiet water before the work continues.